So now I'm going to show you how to use the tympanometer. We're going to start with using the Otowave and just talk about proper insertion techniques to be able to get the best tymp that you can. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to select your ear tip. And the best way to select the ear tip is after otoscopy to take a look at the ear canal and just figure out what size you feel like would be the appropriate size for the ear. You also want to take note of how the curvature is when you're doing the otoscopy to see if it's curved to one way, or sometimes canals will go up or down. And so when you're inserting the tympanometer, you want to be able to make sure that you're taking that into account. So just taking a look at her ear, I see about what size she is. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my yellow tip. I'm going to put it on the device and make sure that I push it on all the way. I'm going to select it. When you are inserting the probe tip from the tymp, you want to pull back on the ear so that the ear canal is straight, and you just insert it. And there we go. And perfect. So afterwards, you can just go ahead and either connect it to your PC or print it on your portable printer. So sometimes you'll have different types of issues to consider with the ear. She has a piercing on her tragus, and so sometimes that will lead to difficult insertion of either your otoscope or your tympanometer. I'm just going to show you how to work around it. Again, after you've done otoscopy, you just want to look at the ear canal size, and again, you're going to pull back, and then you can usually just work your way around it. So I'm just going to push it back. Perfect.